What's up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ, and I'm back for another YouTube vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to a pumpkin patch. Y'all, it is fall time and I'm ready to do something festive for the fall activities. So let's get into this vlog. Tune in. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm wearing. So I'm gonna wear this crew neck sweater, orange sweater, and I'm gonna wear these thermal orange pants that actually is a set. This is the top that goes to it. It's just a thermal top, but I'm not gonna wear it with that. I'm gonna style it with this. And then we got gold jewelry. These are not bangles, these are cuffs. You see the cuffs? So you can wear them this way or you can wear them this way. So that's what I love about these. I got my earrings, gold chain with the gold shades. Now, here's my shoes. Well, here's my bag. Here's my shoes to match the bag. The fur and the fur. You see the vibes. And then, okay, so I got this brown hat that I might wear a long coat with to style it. I'm not sure, and I might wear like a bubble vest with the outfit, but I'm not sure what vibes I want to go with. But I'm gonna show y'all my downstairs closet. If you didn't see my closet revealed, then go back and watch that video and come back to this one. But I'm gonna show y'all my downstairs closet as well because I redid it. Alright, YouTube, I'm dressed, I'm ready, I'm looking good, I'm feeling good. So, this is the look for right now. I end up adding my jewelry, the D, and then on this side, I got a J, how cute, cuffs on. Okay, got the bag in the hand, match the shoes. So, I don't think I might wear that hat, and I might not. We're about to go downstairs and look in this coat closet and complete the rest of this look. This is the coat closet that I was telling y'all that I did. So I have all of my winter coats in here. Fur, chepras, denims, bubble jackets, and coats and vests. So I'm planning on probably wearing this one right here. Maybe with that brown beanie. So to see what I wore, go follow me on Instagram at I'mMeDJ. Okay, y'all, I decided to go with this as the final look. I wear the vest with the hat. I didn't like how this looked. There was too many oranges. I even tried this. So we are wearing this. Alright, YouTube, we have made it to the pumpkin patch. Got us some good parking right here because we could have been parked all the way on top of the hill, but we're literally right here. So let's go to the pumpkin patch. Y'all, look at the billy goats eating. Oh, it hurts me. I don't have anything for you right now. I can go get something for you. And there's another one right there. Another one right there. Look at it. Eating. They think I got some food or something because they're trying to come over here. I don't have anything. I think this is the thing. Oh, see? How cute. They got a hayride that I didn't get to get on because I came too late, but maybe next time. Look at these pumpkins, y'all. I've never seen them this dark. Ever. Like, I don't think it's so dark. Like this. Y'all, I'm late. But look at the little pumpkins. Then you come over here. They got the big pumpkins. Then these are probably the medium-sized pumpkins. Over here, $10. Ain't bad. All these cute little pumpkins. How cute. Then over here, they got some different color pumpkins. Like what? Look how cool. Look at the white ones. I love the white ones, low-key. Low-key like them better than the orange. These only $6. Then they got these. These are huge. Like, look at this. It's like pebbles. Wow. And then they got the little smaller ones right here. All these pumpkins. Everybody leaving because they're about to close. Of hogs. Little fellers. They have little chicks in there. I don't know if y'all can see them. You can probably hear them. The chicken. Y'all see the cows? Hopefully they don't charge at me, but look at the cows. Alright, YouTube, so I made it back home from the pumpkin patch. I'm giving y'all an update on my closet. So here's the shoe rack that I did. So you remember I had bought another one. So I end up putting that one up, and this is it. So let me show y'all the new shoes that I got. Remember I told y'all I got new dress shoes coming. Look how cute these are. These are like loafers, and they are so nice. These are gonna be like for church. And I showed y'all these, and let me show y'all the statement shoe of the year. Look at my knee-high fur boots. Like, y'all, I cannot wait to style and profile these boots. Oh my gosh, they're so fire. So, y'all, stay tuned. Stay tuned, okay, for the look. And before I vlog this, I went to go get some food at Hickory Falls. So I'm gonna insert that clip now. Here at Hickory Falls Wood Fire Restaurant. Yeah, they got some good food. Like, even when you pull up, it smells so good. So I'm just getting a pickup order. So let me go inside. So I made it back home, y'all. I want to let y'all see my food that I got from Hickory Falls. So I got grilled hickory pork chops, garlic mashed potatoes, broccoli, and it comes with rolls. I got my sauces, honey butter, ranch, and bourbon that I'm gonna sprinkle on here. and give it some flavor. Let's see if I can do it. Ooh, it smells good. Expecting it to be a little more darker, but just sprinkle some bourbon on there, and I'm gonna eat. Looks so good. Alright, y'all, so I gotta change to my Halloween look. I'm a demon, not a devil. So I'm gonna head out. Got my favorite, Zon Julio. Sponsor me if you watching. A drink. And gonna go to the club. Catch me outside. We are at Calendar's nightclub, and I'm showing y'all my outfit. I'm a demon. My outfit is real flowy, right? I love it. So I'm gonna go turn up the club. Alright, YouTube, I done made it home from the pumpkin patch in the club. Y'all, the pumpkin patch, I wish I would have got there a little bit earlier to do more activities, but I did get to take pictures. I did get to see some pumpkins and see some activities that was there. And y'all, my Halloween costume was so cute. I was a demon this year. Last year I was a wrestler. This year I was a demon. Y'all saw my last vlog my costume. I gave y'all a little preview and I dressed it up and I showed y'all in this vlog. So like I said, if y'all didn't go watch my last vlog, go back and watch it and support your boy DJ. And make sure you guys comment below your favorite part about this vlog. And also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for tuning in. Till next time.